Dental health is something many of us may take for granted here in America. In many other countries, they don't have access to dentists or some cases oral health care at all. But one local dentist is changing that by bringing his expertise to those in need. Here to tell us more about his new dental office in Fresno and his upcoming medical mission trip, we have Dr. Hugo Coronado along with his office manager, Michael Johnson. Thank you, gentlemen, for coming on the program.
Thank you for having us.
It's wonderful. So, Doctor, tell us a little bit about yourself and how long you've been here in Fresno and have a practice.
Okay. Well, I've been in the States for 15 years already, and I'm from Guatemala, actually. So after having my credentials and to practice dentistry in the States, we moved with my family right here. And we started having my first practice exactly 10 years ago.
Wow.
And, well, we're so happy to be here.
Yeah, good community. Yes, well, dental care is so in need. And tell us, you just opened a second office last year, and that's the one we want folks to go to because you're accepting new patients.
Exactly. That's what we want the people to know,
Awesome. Well, Michael, tell us a little bit about the office, where it's located, and what services people can get.
So our new office is located on North Willow, so right on Herndon and North Willow there. And yeah, we are really excited because we can help the community get the oral care that they need. Essentially, if you want to be a new patient, easiest ways is to give us a call. You can look us up on our webpage as well. But we also have social media, so we have a lot of different options for people to get a hold of us.
You are. And Doctor, what are you seeing here in town? Let's first talk about town before we go abroad. What do you see? What are services that folks need that you offer?
Well, something that I heard my patients they like from my offices because we do almost everything. We do implants, we do oral surgery too, we do cosmetic dentistry, and we do orthodontics too.
Amazing.
So what I find out is many people, they don't like to get referred out to the offices. They want to see one doctor.
Yes.
So that's why I was trying to train myself in all those fields to give the best service that we can.
Incredible. So you can do implants plus braces, just the whole 9 yards.
That's what we do, yeah.
Wow. And I love how you're taking your passion for dental care abroad back to your home country. Tell us about your medical mission trips and what they mean to you.
Thank you. Well, we started this organization like 6 years ago with my family. We named it the Miguel Vargas Association. It's a non-profit. And being from Guatemala and knowing the big need of dental health in my country, we decided to do something being in the States and try to go back and give some help to especially the kids and the needy people.
Yes.
So we go 2 times a year since 6 years ago, as I told. And what we do is we bring some people from the States and also from my alma mater in Guatemala. So we bring at least sometimes 50 people to do dental work and also to bring medical services to the people that's underserved.
It's so wonderful, and I know we said it before, but a lot of times we take dental care for granted and we don't even go to the dentist. And down there, a lot of folks, you might be the first dentist they've ever seen.
That's right. Many people haven't seen any dentist, in their lives, even if they're adults.
Yes.
We can see so many things in there, and then it is something cool for us just to give them a hand, on those problems that they have.
It's wonderful.
And it's rewarding too.
Wonderful, rewarding that you give back. And so tell us about why folks should come to you. What do you think sets you apart besides having a big heart?
Well, thank you. Well, as I told before, I try to talk to the people and try to make them comfortable in my office, Try to be as nice as possible, Most of the people, they're feared to go to the dentist.
Yes, a lot of people
so
have that.
So we try to transmit some tranquility in the office, talk to the patients, tell them that everything is going to be fine. So people like that because, we don't rush. We don't rush the people. We try to do our best in every case that we see.
Yes. Why are people so scared of dental work?
I don't know, probably needles.
Needles and drills. But I think it's also important to realize just how important it is. If you neglect your dental health, that can really mean bad news down the line.
You're right. You can have a lot of problems. That's what I tell my patients. You have to come every 6 months. Otherwise, we're going to find a lot of cavities, a lot of periodontal disease. and that it can come, I mean, it can become a big problem when you come back in a few years if you don't stop going
Yes.
to the office, you know.
Absolutely, it affects all areas of your health. Okay, well, Michael, real fast, tell us the steps to becoming a new patient and how easy it is.
The easiest way is to come to our office, come in, or you can give us a call. And from there, our receptionist will get you started with paperwork, and we'll get the appointment. We can have patients come in, and we can get you scheduled same day.
Oh, wonderful. That's great. And in terms of insurance, what should people know? You accept insurance or call
Yes,
you guys?
we accept all insurances, and we get all the information from our patients. We verify that, make sure everything's good to go. And honestly, it's a real breeze for patients. So we make sure that we take care of everything. Our patients are not just a number.
Yeah.
You know, we get to know you, and we're going to take care of you.
Well, I mean, you guys are such sweethearts, and I can tell that you're so passionate about what you do, and you take pride, and you've got a family here that you're raising, and I know the community means a lot to you.
Yes, it does.
Yes.
It really does, yeah.
Well, thanks for bringing your expertise here, and thanks for all you do abroad. And everybody, please look up Dr. Hugo Coronado and let him become your new dentist, because you always need a good dental checkup, right?
Thank you very much.
Thank you both.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Thank you.